They may have extra. I don't want to see when I cuss and I talk about me and this and me run down people through them richer than me and me hype because now that don't cuss me over December and tell me. What now going with? So, I want to go on a tour. I'm a suite in Dubai. Big up everybody. I want to go on a tour. I'm a suite in Dubai. Shall we begin? Let's begin. So, this is where I'm staying in Dubai. And let us start by looking at where IT has been in birthday. So we're going to the most important place is the toilet. And everything that made in this hotel is gold, and it is also real gold. So this is my office area for the week that I'm going to be here. This is this is my coffee room for the week that I'm going to be here. This is my refrigerator with my liquor. And over here you have my beautiful wife. And as you can see, the TV have gold accessory. And see me, I celebrate by my birthday in Dubai. You see what I want? So, I wanna go and look. Very expensive those. These are, you have to, you know, them big top celebrity big, you know the thing already. But I wanna look already, wanna know say it's no cheap, not gonna go on right here. So your thing have to right. Alright, so this is, look at downstairs area. So we're gonna go upstairs now. I'm gonna show you the ground, show you the door, and we're going to go upstairs now. Yeah, and hope you know this is a real goal. Like, this is a real goal. This is in Dubai. Like, real goal. And this one like an area. I don't know why you're at this, but see them bring the bag them and put the bag them. Right, you get a butler, you know? Butler. You get a butler. And this is, you know, what going on right here. So I go on. So I'll be ready for a week. So I go on in the shower. 1 week in Dubai. Plus them give me towels, this, that. Alright, come and go to the most important part we want to see. The bedroom. Oh, not going with. Tomorrow my birthday. So I make sure to show me some love and support. All who don't like me, come out tomorrow for the money, see me. Alright, so this is the bedroom. Ooh, voila. Voila. And guess what? What you know with the bedroom? Ready? Catch it pre. It as fuck you. So I go on. This you call luxury. No, tomorrow morning, when, let me see if I lock off the light, we can't see outside. I don't even know how they lock off the light button here because they have so much. Alright. Damn. Can't see nothing. Tomorrow you'll be able to see anything. So we can turn on about the light. Yeah. And there's another queen give me this for my birthday, but I can't tell you I wish queen give me that one. Yeah, man. Two queen I was advising. You see me? Cut off one, still I deal with one. And this is a birthday gift for me in Dubai. See what I'm going? Alright. Alright. So, go now to where me I stay. So I eat that. You see me? Shoes match a bag. I don't know the thing already. Shoes match a bag. I saw the thing I said. You see me? Alright, I'm gonna let you know. This is RT Boss Weekend in Dubai. Living like a king. As I already is. Dirty people. Eat your oat out, but you couldn't stop me. Me still a win, you see me? Them I have extra. I don't want to see them when I cuss and talk about me and this and me run down people through them richer than me and me and hype because now that don't cuss me all December and tell me. So now that me I try for sure and say, listen, me not pinch her now, cuss nobody for no money, me already have for me. Isn't that so? So I come out for my birthday and I just go out with myself, my beautiful wife up on Insta. So when I say, plus me give you $10,000 tomorrow for my birthday and I still a cost me. I can't talk a good thing. Why you have to say me extra? Me I show off where me I stay and then me I give her money. God bless the little energy, man. At least him show off and bossy, but him still a give it. God damn. You see, you can't please black people, you still have to style me. Decently. Anyway, you see, try me alone and spend my money. Me gone left for now. Big up all who love me. Big up all who love me and who don't love me. Oh no, alright. Still can't stop me. I am the #1 spiritual advisor locally and internationally. Eat your heart out. Can't stop me. Can't stop, we already be already. I'm gonna let you know. Cheers to the people that I love. I'm gonna have my grape and laugh after who we eat. Boss has spent his birthday in Dubai and live in luxury. Who want Bex? You know, eat as them. Wifey, what you have to say? Nothing.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Anyway, I'm gonna let you know. When me tell them says that money people wire when we say me broke and hungry. Alright, I'm gonna let you know. Tomorrow I'm going to 10 gun. I wanna still gonna cost me and class me. But so you go, me I do it from the bottom of my heart. Tomorrow I'm a boss you know. And who need it? And as me I'm going now quick. You see me? See? I'm saying I leave, yes. Me have to go leave, man, because I go find some feet. Me I come back. Remember I know a night in Dubai and a day a night now in Dubai and a day over there. I'm going to come back. But me just forward. Me just start up myself, get myself settled, get my wife something to eat. And then link on the back when we eat. I want to see what I go on. So I soon come back. Remember now, I'm a birthday weekend. When I go there everywhere with me. You see me, I'm my phone, remember? I'm my live. I'm in here, my RT. That's how you go. So just follow me. Soon forward again. Just know if you stay in this hotel, it's not cheap.